Hi everybody, today's video is going to be how to remove a built-in over-the-range microwave. It's pretty simple, you only need a few basic tools, so let's get started.
So the first thing I wanted to show you guys was these built-in microwaves sit on a bracket. So you can see this is the bracket. So we're going to take the screws out of the top, and there'll still be something supporting the weight of this, but I just wanted to show you that. That's kind of how these things go in. So let's go and unplug this. All right, on the built-in microwaves, usually the plug-in's on the right side because the cord on these microwaves is always usually on this side of it. So I turned the power off, but really just need to unplug the microwave. Then the only thing holding this up are these two screws above the microwave right there. And like I showed you just earlier, that little bracket underneath. So there's not a whole lot that holds these things up. So let's go ahead and take those screws out. Okay, as you can see, whoever did the original install absolutely butchered this. It's disgusting. That side. And here you'll see the bracket that sat on. So we got held up here a little bit. But yeah, basically the microwave just sits on these brackets, and two screws. Wow, screw was actually here, but they just destroyed this thing. And then this one's vented to outside, so you can see this was previously spray foamed to seal the vent up, and goes out the doors there. But next we'll take the bracket off, and that should be it for the disassembly. Okay, here we have it off. Whoever did this install should be shamed. Look at the mess they made here. Just put big holes in. Here the tile's actually broken out. And what they did was they used these things to go in behind the drywall. None of this was in the studs at all. So absolutely no reason why that couldn't have been in at least two studs in there. But when we go to install the new one, we'll make sure we get onto the correct studs here. So, all right, guys, that is how you take out a built-in over-the-range microwave. Just a few tips for you. If you have a stove that is underneath your range, take that out before you start. It'll be much easier to get the microwave in and out. In this case, we had a built-in range into the cabinet itself, so I couldn't really take it out to get underneath. But that would be my tip number one. Tip number two, these things are big, bulky, and heavy, about 50 pounds. So if you do have someone that can help give you a hand to pull the microwave down or put the new one up, that would definitely be a bonus when doing this project. And if you want to see how to install the new one, click in the card right here, or wait to the end screen and I'll put the card to the install of the new microwave as well. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video.